Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered what sets billionaires apart from millionaires? While they both have financial success, their approaches to life and business can be vastly different. In this video, we'll explore 10 ways that billionaires think differently from millionaires. From their mindset to their habits, we'll uncover the secrets behind the success of the world's richest individuals. Let's get started. 10. Long-term vision. Billionaires have a long-term vision for their wealth and businesses, thinking about the future and making decisions accordingly. Millionaires, on the other hand, often focus on short-term gains. 9. Risk tolerance. Billionaires are often comfortable taking calculated risks, as they know that high risk can result in high reward. Millionaires, however, tend to be more risk-averse and prioritize stability over potential gains. 8. Focus on growth. Billionaires focus on growth, continuously seeking opportunities to expand their wealth and businesses. Millionaires, however, are often content with their current level of wealth and do not prioritize growth. 7. Investment strategy. Billionaires typically have a diverse investment portfolio and are always looking for new and innovative opportunities to invest in. Millionaires, on the other hand, may have a more passive investment strategy. 6. Networking. Billionaires understand the importance of networking and building relationships. They actively seek out opportunities to connect with other successful individuals and businesses. Millionaires may not place as much emphasis on networking. 5. Adaptability. Billionaires are able to quickly adapt to changes in the market and industry. They are not afraid of pivoting their businesses and investments if necessary. Millionaires may resist change and stick to what they know. 4. Mentality towards failure. Billionaires view failure as an opportunity to learn and grow and are not afraid to try again. Millionaires, on the other hand, may see failure as a setback and become discouraged. 3. Knowledge seeking. Billionaires are constantly seeking out new information and education opportunities to stay ahead of the curve. Millionaires may not prioritize continuous learning and professional development. 2. Philanthropy. Billionaires often have a strong sense of social responsibility and engage in philanthropic endeavors. Millionaires may not prioritize giving back to their communities to the same extent. 1. Strategic thinking. Billionaires employ strategic thinking in all aspects of their lives, from their businesses to their personal finances. Millionaires may not approach decision-making with the same level of strategic thinking. Let's come to the conclusion. Billionaires have a unique way of thinking that sets them apart from millionaires. From their risk-taking behavior to their long-term planning, they have a wealth of knowledge and strategies that have led to their financial success. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to take your wealth to the next level, the lessons from these billionaire mindsets can provide valuable insights and guidance. So remember to keep an open mind, embrace change, and always think big. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time on a brand new upload.